So imagine you're just standing in this massive control room, right? And you're staring down a wall of like 160 televisions, and they're all playing perfectly synchronized 4K video. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the hidden, highly classified hardware that actually makes that exact scenario possible.
Yeah.
And we're using the 25-year catalog of HDTV Supply as our guide for this.
It's a completely different world from, just plugging a TV into the wall at home. And to really understand it, we're actually starting with just a single cable. It's the DVIGear Hyperlight Active Optical Cable.
Okay, so let's unpack this, because on the surface, a cable just doesn't sound that intimidating, right?
Right, definitely.
But this specific one is 15 meters long, so that is nearly 50 feet.
Which, honestly, that completely changes the physics of what we are dealing with here, because at 50 feet, a normal copper HDMI cable just loses data.
Oh, really?
Yeah, your pristine 4K video would just look like, digital snow by the time it actually reached the screen. So that is exactly why this is an active optical cable. It actually has these tiny microchips built right into the connectors.
Like microchips in the cable itself?
Exactly. They convert the electrical video signal into light, and then they shoot it down fiber optics. So there is zero data loss over that massive distance.
Okay, wow. So converting electricity to light just across a room, that implies a pretty massive physical space. So what are we actually plugging this 50-foot fiber optic cable into?
Well, if you look at their catalog, it points straight to something they call the Wolfpack modular matrix switchers.
Right, I saw that. And the sheer scale of that hardware is just mind-boggling to me.
It really is. We aren't talking about a basic splitter so you can watch the game in your kitchen and your living room at the same time.
Yeah, definitely not.
These switchers route 4K video to setups ranging from 9 screens all the way up to an astonishing 160 TVs simultaneously.
That is insane.
Yeah, they literally build 160 by 160 HDMI matrix switches.
So this matrix switcher, it acts less like a basic splitter and more like a digital train yard. Like, it takes incoming 4K signals and instantly routes them to any of the 160 different tracks or screens without a single collision.
That's a great way to put it, yeah. And it's purpose-built for that exact kind of heavy lifting. Take their sports bar TV distribution systems, for example.
Right.
These matrices integrate seamlessly with commercial services like the DirecTV app and EverPass.
Oh, so they can handle all those different feeds at once.
Exactly. It allows a system to juggle dozens of live high-definition games without breaking a sweat.
But wait, if I am a bartender on a busy NFL Sunday, right,
Right.
and I have 160 screens going, I cannot be running around with 160 plastic remotes trying to change the channels. There has to be a centralized brain to actually command a beast like this.
Absolutely. You have to build a really sophisticated control ecosystem. So HDTV Supply provides an entire suite of tools to just sort of tame the hardware.
Okay, what kind of tools?
Well, you can control the entire matrix using free Windows 11 software, iOS and Android apps, web GUIs, or even their dedicated touchscreen tablet systems. They call those the Wolfpad.
Oh, the Wolfpad.
Yeah, you are essentially running a localized broadcasting studio right from a touchscreen.
See, I'm looking at this hardware, though, and it just seems like absolute overkill for anyone except maybe, a giant Vegas sportsbook or an extravagant mega mansion.
You definitely think so, but the biggest buyer of this kind of absolute zero latency gear is actually the federal government.
Wait, really? The government?
Yes, believe it or not, these aren't just commercial gadgets for watching football. A huge portion of their catalog is TAA approved.
What does that mean exactly?
It means the equipment strictly complies with U.S. government manufacturing laws. And because they meet those security standards, they are cleared for secure federal purchasing programs, like the federal GSA schedule and even NASA's CBUP-U program.
NASA, so they're using these switchers for actual space operations.
Precisely. When you are routing mission-critical data or managing visuals across a federal command center, you need exactly this kind of robust 160-screen architecture.
Right, because a dropped signal or a delayed video feed just isn't an option.
Exactly. It's too important.
That really changes the perspective, honestly. Right. Next time you're at a sports bar and all 40 TVs switch to the overtime game at the exact same second, you will know there is a massive, invisible matrix router just sitting in a closet making that magic happen.
It really is a great reminder that the digital world you interact with every day, it requires an immense, highly engineered physical reality to actually function.
It really does. But here is where it gets really interesting and honestly maybe a little funny to me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, amid all this highly technical industrial scale, literally NASA-approved equipment, HDTV Supply still offers a simple how-to guide on their site, and the title is, How Far Do I Sit in Front of My HDTV?
Yes, the eternal question.
Right. But it leaves you with something to ponder.
Yeah.
If you are standing in a command center staring down a 160-screen 4K video wall and it's all wired together with fiber optics, is there anywhere in that room you can sit where you won't be completely overwhelmed?